killed whom? And then the Rig Veda mentioned the defeat of Kirat's kings Sambhara by Devdasa Aryan king. Who has defeated? Devdasa of Aryan, and he belongs to which clan? Bharata clan. And आपको वेस्टर्न यूपी दिख रहा है? हम लोग इसी में तो हैं, दिल्ली के पास. This is the reason where the fight has been taken place in the Panchal, this is known as Panchal, Western UP, this part. And this fight has been taken place in this. Possibly the Dasyus in the Rig Veda represent the original inhabitant of the country, and Aryan chief who overpowered them and killed them also later on, and therefore overpowered them. Therefore, it is known as a Tras Dasyu. तो overpower करोगे तो क्या बोला जाएगा? Tras Dasyu. And then Aryan chief was soft toward the Dasas. Yes or not? Dasyus के against थे, and Dasas के through they are favorable, soft. And they are strongly hostile to the Dasyus. The term Dasyu Hatya, slaughter of the Dasyu, is repeatedly mentioned in the Rig Veda. It means who is the Dasyu Hatya? Doing Aryans, especially which? Chief of the Bharata clan and others. Understood? And it is not necessary to remember this. Lekin, among the intertribal conflict, the most important was the battle of 10 kings, and it has been mentioned in the 7th mandala of Rig Veda. याद होगा? Battle of 10 kings कहाँ पे mentioned है? 7th mandala of Rig Vedas. Is it okay? So, battle of 10 kings has been taken place in which? They came into India, and where they are? In the northwest they come. Yes or not? Northwest, and these are they have been pushed southward. The Dravidians are pushed southward, and now they planned. There is a what? Kirat king, Sambhara, and there is a which I said that Bharata clan, Devdasa, and he has taken the support of what? Other tribes, chiefs of the other tribes, and they attacked. And in which region? Panchala. And this Bharata clan Devdasa was supported by whom? Vishwamitra and then Vasishtha. Understood? And they have been defeated, and that is known as a battle of 10 king. Understood? Battle of 10 king. और कहाँ पे हुआ था? In the Panchal. In which region? Panchal. I said that who were living in India before Aryans? Dravidians. And India is blessed with what is the rivers and all. In the world main number 5th amount of rainfall. Amount of rainfall. World main India receives 5th position. And then good amount of water. The knows the navigation. The river knows the use of rivers for the irrigation. Yes or not? Aryans that come from the region from where the rainfall and all these are less. Steppe में rainfall होता नहीं है. So that is why I said that who will be knowing the navigation or irrigation? Dravidas. So let us see. It is believed that before the coming of Aryans in India, the greater part of northern and northwestern India was inhabited by the local people. That is why I said that Dravidians. And on arrival of the Aryans, they are unable to meet their challenge. And they gradually moved southward. Understood it? And then perhaps in India they were the first to use rivers for and irrigation, navigation and समझ में आ गया? What is the reason behind? Why not the Aryans? Because the Aryans come from the region from where there is a water availability is what? Less. Next one I said that Aryans. The group of Indo-Europeans. सब कुछ मैंने थोड़ा बहुत सब कुछ बताया हुआ है. The group of Aryans, Indo-Europeans who moved to Persia. Persia means Iran. And India are known to Aryans. Aryans are the original inhabitants of what is in Central Asia. Central Asia and Steppe. They arrived in India around 1500 BC. Though there is an ongoing debate. अभी भी क्या है? The region where the Aryans settled in India was called Sapta Sindhu, and it is also referred as what? Brahmavarta. The Aryans established themselves in India by defeating the natives who were called as Dasas or Dasyus. Aryans. The period when the Aryan first settled in India is known as early Vedic period, 1500 BC to 1000 BC, and then Aryan spread to Indo-Gangetic plains in the latter Vedic period. And in this region came to known as Aryavarta, 1000 BC to 600 BC. And Aryan were the first people in India to know the use of iron and brought horses along with them. याद है ना horses? Horses को खा भी लेते थे. Only during festives, only during cow, bulls, ये सब कब करता था? During festives. इसके अलावा they are not eating any time. Otherwise क्या खाते थे? Bread and दूध. Understood? That is, you know, that wheat and barley. And thereafter I said that वही लोग भी ग्रो कर रहे थे. इस रीजन में क्या होगा? सब सिंधु रीजन में क्या होगा? Wheat and, और जब अंदर घुस गए कहां चले गए थे? इंडो गैंगेटिक तब चले गए तो क्या होने लग गया? रेनफॉल मिल गया और उनको मिल गया शुगर केन. क्या मिल गया? व्हाट दे आर एबल टू गेट. सो उनकी एडिशन होगी शुगर केन. और कहीं कहीं पर मूंग, उड़द, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ पल्सेस. यस. एंड दे ऑल्सो फाइंड वन थिंग, एलिफेंट्स. व्हाट दे फाउंड? So later Vedas में there is some animal has been included, a part of horses. What they are having? Elephants also. Yes or not? They are entering into it. Then elephants get into what is a large and deep and what is a jungles of what is a Indo-Gangetic plains. Now we are going to see the Rig Vedic polity. Who is the major part of the? Who is the highest post in the any clan or something? In a tribe, in a group of tribe, who is there? Raja, Rajan, followed by Purohita. Yes, and then some. Dasa and Dasyu. Dasas are what is not fighting. Dasyus are what is fighting. Here, both are Dravidians. Administrative machinery of Aryans in the Rig Vedic polity worked with the tribal chief in the center. He is considered as a what? Rajan. And Rajan को ही क्या बोला जाता है? It is they are hereditary or through the election? Hereditary. They are what is na? Hereditary. And then some traces of some election is there. जो हम लोग बात करेंगे. I'll say that election का थोड़ा सा trace है कुछ assemblies में. It is not too much. Election is not looking like it. And when I come into 16 Mahajanpadas, जैसे ही later Vedic finish होगा तो Jana started becoming important. Rashtra started becoming important. कल से मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. And then 16 Mahajanpadas में we can be able to see monarch and republics. Monarch and, I said that although his post was what is an hereditary, but have also some traces of election by tribal assembly called Samiti. The king was called the protector of his tribe. Already you understand this. He protected the cattle, fought at wars and offered the prayer to the god on their behalf. Yes or not? वो लोग उन्हीं के basis पे सारा काम करते थे. And then who was doing all these sacrifices? Who helped? Purohita or Brahmanas. Several tribal assemblies such as Sabha, Samiti, Vidhata and Gana mentioned in the Rig Veda, and they exercise deliberative military and religious function. Military की बात जहाँ तक की जाए, they do not have any standing army. They do not have, neither in the early Vedic nor in later Vedic. They do not have. They started mustering the what is enough armies at the time of war. जब war होता था, they started calling upon, and then that there is an accumulation. And कौन-कौन थे? गना, क्या हमने बोला? गना, व्रता, क्या हमने बोला? गना. तो गण लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? व्रत कर रहे हैं. क्या कर रहे हैं? व्रत. मतलब लड़ने से पहले थोड़ा सा यार बच कर आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे. व्रत समझते? फास्टिंग. इन नॉर्थ इंडिया इट इज हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? व्रत. गना, व्रता, what they are doing? What they are doing? गना, व्रता and यहाँ पे लिखा है कि नहीं कहीं? गना, व्रता, संघा. I said that. तो main two are there. Which are there? I said that. गना लिखा होगा कहीं पे. गना, व्रता, sorry, श्रद्धा. These are kind of political. गना, yes, गना, व्रता, Dha and Grama, which I said that Gana, Vrata, Saddha and ग्रामा। तो हमने क्या बोला, गण लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, जो लोग लड़ने के लिए जा रहे हैं, तो व्रत कर रहे हैं और श्रद्धा से। व्रत कैसे करेंगे? विद द हेल्प ऑफ श्रद्धा मीन्स इमोशंस, गॉड प्लीज हेल्प मी सो दैट आई कैन कम अलाइव। श्रद्धा से करेंगे। जब कुछ डर होता है ना तो श्रद्धा बहुत आता है, फियर इज वेरी मच रिक्वायर्ड। सो गना, व्रता, श्रद्धा, एंड ऑन ये कहां से आते थे? दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम विलेज एरिया, ग्रामा। सो विच आर द फोर? आई सेड दैट गना, व्रता, श्रद्धा, ग्रामा। होगा कहीं मेंशन होगा। आई सेड दैट इट इज क्लियर। तो उनके पास कोई स्टैंडिंग आर्मी नहीं था। दे डू नॉट हैव ए स्टैंडिंग, इधर इट इज इन अर्ली वैदिक और लेटर वैदिक, दे डू नॉट हैव। So which are the assembly I talked about? Sabha, Samiti, Vidhata and Gana mentioned in the Rig Veda, exercise, deliberative, military and religious function. Even women attended Sabha and, so women are attending, which are the two important assemblies? Vidhata and Sama. Which has lost in the later Vedic? Vidhata. Vidhata has lost. It has been finished. Which left? Sabha. And Sabha में किसका influence आ गया था? Brahmanas. Therefore after that the women stopped coming also in the Sabha also. And then I said that even women attended Sabha and Vidhata in the Rig Vedic, but the political point of view, which are the two important assemblies? Sabha and Samiti. Understood? Which are Sabha and Samiti. Sabha, Samiti, Vidhata, Gana were the tribal assemblies of this. Vidhata was the oldest. सबसे oldest कौन था? Vidhata. And the assembly exercised deliberative of all this function. The two most important assemblies were Sabha and Samiti. As Samiti was general in nature, but the most important is what? Sabha. जिसमें women were sitting. Women attended Sabha and Vidhata in the Rig Vedic times. A few non-monarchical states are also there. थोड़े से कोई ना कोई, some states are also those who are falling in the form of republics. Yes, non-monarchical. Described who head was गणपति और ज्येष्ठा. जिसके head को क्या बोलते थे? गणपति और ज्येष्ठा. In the early Vedic, some we have been able to see. नहीं तो लेटर वैदिक में यहां पे गणपति कह रहे हैं, वहां पे होता था क्या? ऐसे देयर इज एन आल्सो रिपब्लिक्स इन द लेटर वैदिक. व्हाट हैपेंड, एंड बेटर टू से आफ्टर द लेटर वैदिक, ये गणपति आपको दिख रहा है. आफ्टर दैट द हेड ऑफ द रिपब्लिक में क्या होता था? तो 2-3 इंपॉर्टेंट जना गेट टुगेदर एंड इट बिकम महाजनपदा. जना कुछ 4, 5, 6 भी. और सबसे फेमस रिपब्लिक स्टेट है वज्जी. Which one I said that? No, and if we'll see, like I said that in Bihar, this is I said that Magadha, and there is an I said in Bihar, that is I said that दिमाग से निकल गया यार, हटाओ बाद में आ जाएगा. Vajji. Which one I said that? And this is then a Vajji. Magadha. Which one I said? यहाँ पे मुंगेर और सहरसा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में यहाँ पर है वो वज्जी. एंड दिस इज एन कन्फेडरेसी ऑफ सेवरल स्मॉलर जना. कन्फेडरेसी, इट इज एन रिपब्लिक, इट इज एन व्हाट. एंड ये रिपब्लिक्स कैसे बनाते थे कि एवरी हैज एन सम काइंड ऑफ व्हाट इज एन, सभी के ओल्डेस्ट पर्सन को मिलाकर दे यूज्ड टू क्रिएट ए गण परिषद. व्हिच परिषद? एंड व्हाटएवर दे आर टेकिंग डिसीजन, इट विल बी व्हाट एवरीवन हैज टू फॉलो. तो वो कब आया? आफ्टर द फिनिश ऑफ वेदास. लेकिन हम लोगों ने क्या देखा? इन द वैदिक टाइम देयर इज आल्सो समवेयर नॉन मोनार्ची और रिपब्लिक्स आर एग्जिस्टिंग, एंड दोज हु आर हेडेड बाय होम? गणपति. यहाँ पे गण परिषद बता रहा हूं मैं 16 महाजनपदा के समय में. एंड देयर इज एन व्हाट? गणपति और ज्येष्ठा. इन द डे टू डे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन द किंग वाज असिस्टेड बाय ए फ्यू फंक्शनरीज. और कौन थे? द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शनरी वाज कौन थे? पुरोहिता. एंड द टू प्रीस्ट हु प्लेड एन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, इट इज वशिष्ठा एंड विश्वामित्रा. द नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शनरी वाज सेनानी, जो सेना को लीड करने के लिए बनाया जाता था. अंडरस्टूड? एंड देन वॉलंटरी प्रिंसेस रिसीव द फ्रॉम द पीपल वॉलंटरी ऑफरिंग कॉल्ड बाली. चाहे वो प्रीस्ट रिसीव करे, एंड वेदर इट इज इन अ प्रिंसेस, एंड एनीवन हु इज रिसीविंग, इट इज नोन एज व्हाट? फ्री ऑफरिंग Bali. There were the cases of the theft and burglary, especially we hear the theft of the cow. किसका होता था? Cow is very much important. And the spies were employed to keep an eye on the these unsocial activities, then officer who enjoyed the authorities over the pasture ground are called as, नाम सुनते आए होगे, ब्रज. ब्रज के कौन है? गोपाला. And then ब्रजपति कौन करेगा? That who is looking after what? Animals and all. Pasture land को देखने वाला कौन कहलाएगा? Yes, ब्रजपति. Easily you can remember. And the heads of the family is known as Kulpati or Kulappa. And the heads of the fighting horse or of a village is known as Gramini. Fighting horse or village. It is known as what? Gramini. So which are the we have seen? Which are we have seen? हमने क्या देखा? Pasture land को व्रजपति, family Kulapa, and then I said that fighting for horse of and the head of the village Gramini.